I tell myself that I'll be strong and dreaming when they're gone, 'cause they're calling, 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 calling. I wish all the lights would stop me, turn to stone.
Alright, so I spent about an hour today just ripping this thing, and this little dude is a beast, man. I was getting about 2 to 2.5 minutes of flight time. I was pushing it pretty hard. You might be able to get a little bit longer. And definitely want to check out your motor screws here. Mine were pretty loose when I got it. Some of my motors were sitting kind of cockeyed. Also definitely recommend stocking up on some canopies and props. Probably about my second crash on the concrete, this thing just shattered. And it looks like, yeah, that prop right there's got some damage on it, so I'm going to have to get that replaced as well. But other than that, man, this thing is fun. I'll probably be cooking this thing around the house later, bugging the crap out of my wife with it.